Okay, this is the farm. We call it beehive now. So if you want to have beehive now, this structure is now you can build a house like this. Make sure that it's open like this so that they can enter in. Okay, okay it now. So here's the entrance. Then this is the room. So we share the room. So this is the room where I slept. I sleep with bee now. So if you want to attract bee now, if you have set aside beehive now, you want to make bee lead now. This is the thing. This is the thing I used to know. We call it. I don't know if you can read that. Yeah? It is called Love the Bee. Australian Bee Supplies. So this is the company whereby wanapeana hizi vitu tunaweka. So ukiweka hivi the following days unaona hata hii tayari imekuja. You can see, as you can see now, the bee have flagged this item. They are 20 now. Right. Okay.